Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Stories. Have you ever been in the kitchen and thought, how do I say this in English? For example, turn on the stove. The curry is ready. Add some salt. Boil the water. These are simple English phrases that native speakers use every day in the kitchen. In today's lesson, you'll learn 50 daily English kitchen phrases with easy English meanings and simple real-life examples, so you can understand them easily and start using them in your daily conversations. And don't miss the end of this video, because I'll share a short kitchen story using these phrases. It will help you remember them naturally. So, if you're ready to improve your English, let's get started. 1. Turn on the stove, meaning start the stove for cooking. 2. Turn off the stove, meaning stop the stove. 3. Turn the heat up, meaning make the flame stronger. 4. Turn the heat down, meaning make the flame lower. 5. Stir the curry, meaning mix the curry while it is cooking. 6. Cover the pot, meaning put the lid on the pot. 7. Take the curry off the stove, meaning remove the curry from the stove. 8. The curry is cooking, meaning the curry is being cooked. 9. The curry is ready, meaning the curry is finished and ready to eat. 10. Boil the water, meaning heat the water until it starts boiling. 11. Add some salt, meaning put salt into the food. 12. Add some sugar, meaning put sugar into the food or drink. 13. Add some oil, meaning pour oil into the pan. 14. Pour some water, meaning put water into a pot or bowl. 15. Pour the milk, meaning put milk into a cup or pan. 16. Wash the vegetables, meaning clean the vegetables with water. 17. Peel the potatoes, meaning remove the skin from the potatoes. 18. Chop the onions, meaning cut the onions into small pieces. 19. Slice the tomatoes, meaning cut the tomatoes into thin pieces. 20. Rinse the rice, meaning wash the rice with water before cooking. 21. Crack the eggs, meaning break the eggs carefully. 22. Beat the eggs, meaning mix the eggs well. 23. Mix the ingredients, meaning combine all the ingredients together. 24. Fry the chicken, meaning cook the chicken in hot oil. 25. Bake the cake, meaning cook the cake in an oven. 26. Grill the fish, meaning cook the fish over direct heat. 27. Taste the food, meaning try a little food to check the flavor. 28. The food smells delicious, meaning the food has a very nice smell. 29. The food needs more salt, meaning the food doesn't have enough salt. 30. Be careful, it's hot, meaning be cautious because something is very hot. 31. Set the table, meaning Arrange the plates, glasses, and spoons before eating. 32. Clear the table, meaning remove the dishes after eating. 33. Pass me the spoon, meaning give me the spoon. 34. Hand me the knife, meaning give me the knife. 35. Open the fridge, meaning open the refrigerator. 36. Close the fridge, meaning shut the refrigerator door. 37. Put the milk in the fridge, meaning keep the milk inside the refrigerator. 38. Take the meat out of the freezer, meaning remove the meat from the freezer. 39. Microwave the food, meaning heat the food in a microwave. 40. Reheat the food, meaning heat cooked food again. 41. The water is boiling, meaning the water is very hot and bubbling. 42. Dinner is ready, meaning the dinner is prepared. 43. Have some more, meaning eat a little more. 44. Would you like some tea? Meaning a polite way to offer tea. 45. Make a cup of tea, meaning prepare a cup of tea. 46. Make some coffee, meaning prepare coffee. 47. Don't spill the milk, meaning don't let the milk fall by accident. 48. This food is delicious, meaning the food tastes very good. 49. I'm full, meaning I've eaten enough. 50. Enjoy your meal, meaning a polite wish before someone starts eating. Now let's enjoy a short story. Listen carefully and try to notice the kitchen phrases you have learned. One Sunday morning, Sarah went into the kitchen to help her mother. Her mother smiled and said, "Please turn on the stove and boil the water. I'm going to make a cup of tea." Sarah turned on the stove, but the water wasn't boiling quickly. Her mother said, "Turn the heat up." A few minutes later, the water started boiling. Her mother added, "Now pour the milk, add some sugar, and stir the tea." While the tea was cooking, Sarah started preparing lunch. She washed the vegetables, peeled the potatoes, chopped the onions, sliced the tomatoes, and rinsed the rice. Then her mother said, "Add some oil to the pan." After that, she said, "Now crack the eggs, beat the eggs, and mix the ingredients." Sarah carefully followed every step. Next, her mother started making chicken. She said, "Fry the chicken, but be careful, it's hot." Then she tasted the curry and smiled. "The food needs more salt. Please add some salt and stir the curry." After a few minutes, the curry was boiling too fast. Her mother quickly said, "Turn the heat down and cover the pot." Soon, the delicious smell filled the kitchen. Sarah smiled and said, "Wow, the food smells delicious." Her mother checked the curry and said, "The curry is cooking well, and now the curry is ready. Take the curry off the stove." Then she said, "Take the meat out of the freezer. We'll grill the fish later, and tomorrow we'll bake a cake." Sarah opened the fridge, took out the milk, and then closed the fridge. After using it, She put the milk in the fridge again. Lunch was almost ready. Her mother asked, "Please set the table. Pass me the spoon and hand me the knife." After everyone sat down, she smiled and said, "Dinner is ready. Enjoy your meal." Everyone started eating. Sarah said, "This food is delicious." Her father replied, "Would you like some tea after lunch?" Sarah smiled and answered, "Yes, please." After lunch, her mother said, "Please clear the table and reheat the soup for your grandfather. You can microwave the rice too." Sarah carefully carried the milk. Her mother laughed and said, "Don't spill the milk." After cleaning everything, Sarah smiled happily. "I'm full," she said. Her mother looked at her proudly and said, "You did a great job in the kitchen today." How many kitchen phrases did you hear in this story? Write the number in the comments below and tell me which phrase is your favorite. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Stories.